Hey guys, to add an expense manually in Spendee, open your Spendee timeline and tap the green plus button on the main screen. Okay, and enter that information. Fill in the details such as the amount, category, and wallet. So I'm gonna enter some number on the fly, the wallet, cash wallet, let's say. Today, yesterday, add a date, and if you want to write a note, just remember, add the labels too, and select photo if you have a photo of this particular thing, and the occurrence. If you buy it constantly or every day, every 2 days, whatever, every 2 days, whatever that might be, and select the category by hitting select category, and make sure it's something like related to your expense, right? Maybe it's food or drinks, shopping, transport, whatever, healthcare. So let's say shopping. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit add transaction, and I just added it manually. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.